Today we're going to talk about functions. Follow along in your notes and pause if you need to. What is a function? A function is a special relationship between values where each input, or x, has exactly one output, or y. Below we have what is a function. So we're going to make a table to see exactly what x and y values correspond. So we have 0, 6, 5, -2, 7, 9, 11, -1. Each x has exactly one y value. Let's talk about what is not a function. So for these values, let's put them in a table. We have -4, 1, -1, 7, -1, 2, or -2, sorry, and 5, 6. As you can see, -1 has two y values. That makes that not a function. Let's look at other examples. So in our table, right, we're not just given ordered pairs, we're given a table. So this is a function. Each x has its own y value. Where in our second one that's not a function, 1 has two y values. That makes that not a function. And in our mapping diagram, each x value has one y value. It's okay if they share y value, but one x cannot have more than one y. So in the example that are not functions, right, 9 has 3 and -3 as y's. That's not a function. And 3 in the one below has 5, 6. So you're going to pause here and do more examples 1 through 13 before moving on to the vertical line test. So now you're doing the vertical line test. If a vertical line intersects a graph at more than one spot, then it's not a function. I drew vertical lines on the first two graphs, and it only intersects at one spot. That makes that a function. All right, and now we're in our circle on our graph, right? We're drawing our vertical lines, and there are more than one intersections between the graph itself and the vertical line test. That makes it not a function because our x value has more than one y value. So what I want you to do now is pause this video and complete the more examples 14 through 21. Once you are done, you can pause the video and make sure you fill in the rest of your notes.